Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block spam calls on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, then tap on block and filter. From here, just tap on the three dots at the top of the screen, then tap on block and filter. From here, just tap on block calls. And on this page, you will find all the spam call blocking features on your smartphone. Now, first of all, you have the option to block all the calls on your smartphone. Now, if you enable this toggle, you will block all the calls on your smartphone. After that, you will have the option of block calls from unknown numbers. And if you enable this toggle, you will block calls from unknown numbers on your smartphone. And after that, you will find the option to block wandering callers on your smartphone. Now just enable this toggle and select block. Then you will find the option to block calls from private numbers. And if you enable this option, you will block all the calls from private numbers on your smartphone. Beneath this option, you will find the feature to block calls by region. Now, if you tap on block calls by region, then tap on add, you can select a specific region of which you want to block all the calls. Now, for example, if I select this region, then tap on save, it will block all the calls from this region on my smartphone. And finally, you have the option of blocking rules. If you tap on blocking rules, you will find the option not to block repeated calls within 3 minutes. And if you enable this toggle, your smartphone will not block repeated calls within 3 minutes. And this is how you can block spam calls on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.